name of the new postal service launched by the Department of Posts for educational material delivery? Answer hai Gyan Post. Which organization has released the report titled State and Trends of Carbon Pricing 2025? Answer hai World Bank. Lake Natron, that was recently seen in news, is located on the border of which two countries? Answer hai Tanzania and Kenya. Which organization has developed the Rudrastra, a hybrid vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, unmanned aerial vehicle? Answer hai Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited, STAR. Which day is observed as International Albinism Awareness Day, IAD, every year? Answer hai 13th June.